Practicals in experimental psychology are designed on the theoretical concepts that we have already studied in experimental psychology. So each practical relates to a basic learning about a cognitive process like learning, memory, imagery, and so on. The practical 6 relates to the topic of learning, and within this practical and in this topic, we are going to see 2 experiments. The aim of these experiments is to demonstrate the process of human conditioning, human classical conditioning. If we go back to the concept of classical conditioning, it is an association between 2 stimuli. The purpose of this experiment is to test if association between nonsense syllables and negative and positive words can influence liking of nonsense syllables through process of association. The original study, as we explained in the module on learning, was conducted by Stats and Stats in 1976 and 1977. Nonsense syllables were presented to the subjects, but they were paired with some positive adjectives like sweet, nice, fragrant, kind, and some of the nonsense syllables were paired with negative words like mean, smelly, ugly, stingy. These words, when we adopted this experiment, we have also used them in Urdu and as a translated list. The hypothesis is the nonsense syllables paired with positive words will be liked more than those paired with not negative words. Based on association principle in classical conditioning, results confirm the assumption that Stats and Stats had. They suggested that prejudice containing about nationalities could also be learned the similar way. Association between the name of nationality and a bad word that you hear about a certain nation or group of people in the media. So for experiment 6, you need 5 volunteers who have at least matriculation level of education. You need 2 experimenters. Materials needed are list of nonsense syllables, computer with multimedia or another program through which you can show the words, recording sheet with nonsense syllables list. Procedure. First we make the presentation. वो presentation हम इस तरह बनाते हैं कि with a timed gap, each word will appear on the screen. एक experimenter जो है वो word कहता है और उसको बोलता है और दूसरा जो है वो presentation को चलाता है. इसको 2 दफ़ा रिपीट करते हैं. जब लिस्ट कंप्लीट हो जाती है तो पार्टिसिपेंट्स को हम वो लिस्ट दे देते हैं जिनमें सिलेबस के आगे रेटिंग होती है कि आपको ये नॉनसेंस वर्ड जो है कितना पसंद है. ये नॉनसेंस वर्ड्स की लिस्ट है, CET, QEH, SUF एंड सो ऑन, और ये एडजेक्टिव्स की लिस्ट है. इट्स अप टू यू कि आप किसको किससे पेयर करते हैं, बट see that there are 3 negative words and there are 3 positive words, और उनको आप किसी से भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन एक नॉनसेंस सिलेबल के साथ एक ही नेगेटिव वर्ड या एक ही पॉजिटिव वर्ड एसोसिएट होगा, और जब आप वो बोलेंगे तो उसके साथ जब वो अपीयर होगा तो उसके पीछे से एक एक्सपेरिमेंटर ने वो बोलना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, CET is appearing. Fresh, GOJ is appearing. Tough, rough, smelly, whatever. So appearing and your experimenter saying it at the same time goes on. Then this is the recording sheet in which you ask them ke each word, how much do you like it? And these are the results table that we make. You give the age of the participant and how much liking did they put under the each negative or positive associated word. Then we make a total of positive key rating and the rating, total rating for the negative for participant 1 and up to participant 5, and then we make an average. So average means के हर participant total जो आपके पास आ रहा है each word का उसको आप number of participants से divide करेंगे. So this is experiment 6. Conclusion. Is the total of liking rating for nonsense syllables paired with positive words higher or greater than liking for the nonsense syllables which are paired with negative words? अगर ऐसा है तो जो ओरिजिनल हमारा हाइपोथेसिस है वो वेरीफाई हो जाएगा, and we write in the conclusion that yes, those nonsense syllables are liked more which are paired with positive words.